Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will talk about real estate investing for beginners. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Economic trends and their impact. To make well-informed decisions, we need to be aware of the prevailing economic trends. These trends can influence everything, from job markets to investment opportunities. Let's take a closer look at some of the key economic trends and their potential impact. Visuals show economic data, stock market charts, and unemployment rates. Understanding current economic trends. Animated visual of newspaper headlines with economic-related news to make informed decisions. We must first understand the present economic landscape. In this section, we'll analyze the current trends shaping the global and local economies. From stock market performance to GDP growth, we'll explore the crucial indicators that drive financial markets. Statistical data being presented in an engaging manner. The stock market has been showing signs of volatility, while unemployment rates have been fluctuating. By dissecting these economic indicators, we'll uncover the reasons behind these trends and their potential impact on your financial decisions. Understanding the financial landscape. The financial landscape is ever-evolving, and it's essential to understand its intricacies. From global trade to technological advancements, several factors shape the financial world we live in. Stay tuned as we analyze these factors and their implications on your financial well-being. Visuals display global trade scenarios, technological advancements, and economic policies. Predictions for the future. What does the future hold? Economists and financial experts make predictions based on data and historical patterns. We'll reveal some of the most compelling predictions that could significantly impact your financial decisions in the years to come. Visuals show experts discussing economic predictions, futuristic cityscapes experts being interviewed, sharing their insights. 1. The global economy is expected to rebound strongly in the coming years. 2. Renewable energy and technology sectors are poised for significant growth. By exploring various scenarios and potential outcomes, we'll equip you with the knowledge to plan for different economic scenarios. Navigating your financial decisions. With all this information at your fingertips, it's time to take action. We'll provide practical tips and advice on how to navigate your financial decisions successfully. Whether it's investing, saving, or managing debt, we've got you covered. Visuals showcase people making financial decisions, financial advisors offering guidance. We'll showcase real-life examples of businesses that not only survived but thrived during economic downturns. Their stories will inspire you to embrace change and seize opportunities in any economic climate. Identifying opportunities and challenges. In every challenge lies an opportunity. We'll explore how economic challenges can lead to unique prospects for growth and success. Get ready to seize the day and turn obstacles into stepping stones on your financial journey. Visuals demonstrate people overcoming economic challenges, thriving businesses, investing wisely for the future. A montage of people making financial decisions. Voiceover. Investing is a crucial aspect of securing your financial future. In this section, we'll explore various investment options and strategies to maximize your returns while managing risk. Visual representation of a diversified investment portfolio, from stocks and bonds to real estate and cryptocurrencies. We'll weigh the pros and cons of each investment avenue. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to build a robust investment portfolio. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.